Hi everyone, this is Paula Mariz welcoming you to my channel. If you're new in my channel, feel free to subscribe down below together with the notification bell to get notified in every upload I will make or I will create. Yes, without further ado, let's start this hashtag affordable vlogging gears. For today, I'm just gonna share with you guys my tips and ideas or the actual gears that I'm using in vlogging. I will make sure to you guys that this is affordable, easy to use, and easy to be found in online stores, kiosks, malls, and public markets like in Tagalog, Tiangge. Yes. It's always the perception of every people that you should always have the most expensive, coolest, and amazing gears in the world to create a very cool vlog or nice vlog. Yes, it is true, but in the reality or the facts is you can't have them just one snap, like the hands of Thanos, one snap. So I just want to share with you guys that there's nothing wrong on being a beginner in vlogging and using affordable gears or using the basic gears in vlogging. There is nothing wrong on using it. Yes, as long as you're learning the process, learning everything in what you have, that's cool, because in the future you might have the coolest, most amazing gears. So there's nothing wrong in using the basic. Just like what they say, always start with the basic before in the hard mode. Yes. You're just here, sitting in the sofa together with me. Okay, for the number one, we have the most common thing or item that every people or human being in the world or in the whole wide world is the mobile phones. Everyone has a mobile phones, Android phones, and smartphones or Apple phones. Yes, everyone has their own mobile phones with a front camera and a flash on it. Yes, so that's the number one. Work with your phone's camera. And I also have one tip for everyone when you're vlogging. It should be horizontal. Yes, it should be like this or like that. Not like this, not like this. It should be like this. Yes. Okay, for our second item, this is also the second most must-have of people, especially in travel vlogging or in just going outside the mall, just taking selfies. Everyone has a selfies. This can also be used as your starter pack or a newbie gear for vlogging because it also has a very strong grip in holding your phone. Yes. And it has a long range of shot. If you really want to capture everything that surrounds you, this is a really good one. And for our next most famous item in the vlogging industry is the tripod or the Gorilla tripod. This is one of my faves because it is actually flexible and it has a very strong grip also. You can place everything. It has a very strong grip for the screw and it has a rubber mat. Yes. You can find this or tripod or girly tripod, selfie stick, whatever it is you have there. You can find it in online shops, malls, public market, Tiangge, and what do you call this? There's so many gadget stores nationwide. Find an affordable yet quality for safety purposes of your smartphone. My third item, it is not really one of the famous items, but the most used item in my vlog is the F-mount Pro smartphone video grip. This is the box. I bought this in Lazada. I'm gonna show a short clip in the side what is the actual look. I'm actually using it right now because together with my microphone on top. Yes, they're together. They are actually my team. Yes, you can use this anytime and everywhere. Whatever you're doing, wherever you go, this is really cool to have one. Especially if you're just vlogging in your. It's my third item in the list. Fourth item is actually accessories that can help your video in your mobile phones or whatever you're using. Can help enhance the lights or the effects. Is the ring lights. Very nice. It's affordable. Yes, it enhances the lighting of in my face. As you can see, it brightens my face. It's very nice. It has actually 3 levels of light. 1, 2, and the 3. And it has a very nice grip. This one, the rubber grip. One step away to the store because it's all available everywhere. And next is the lens, fish eye lens. Really a nice accessories. It can also help you to be creative in vlogging if you have this kind of fish eye lens. Next is my 5th item in my vlogging gears is the Booyah Universal Cardioid Micro-Compatible for every gadget you have. Yes. This is actually optional, but if you're using your mobile phones as your vlogging gear, it will help the noise or your voice to be emphasized in the video. If you're vlogging in a public place where there's so many people, there are so many sounds, noises, this is actually a must-have. If you're actually always vlogging outside your house or vlogging always in the place where there's so many people, will help lessen the noise. Just make sure to be confident in using it outside because you'll get conscious sometimes when you're using this kind of light. Just a short tip from me is always search the specific product, compare their prices, compare their compatibilities in your gadget or in your phone, in your camera, and always check if it's also affordable and it has a quality. I have so many always here. Also, check if it is a beginner friendly, because if your gadget or your gear is not a beginner friendly, well, it will take some time to study the gadget or the gear itself. That's why I always start with the classic before the hard mode. So this is the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys watch this until this part. This is again at Paula Mariz saying that sharing is a great way to learn and to help others too. If you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below together with the notification bell, and give it a comment down below what kind of gear do you use, or do you have any other vlogging gears, so I will also know it. Yes. And before I end this vlog, I have a big question for you guys. What do you prefer, the AOV or the Mobile Legends? Because I'm really interested to create a vlog in a mobile game, to know what's the coolest and the most annoying ones. And that's it. And goodbye everyone. See you in my next vlog.